Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. Just having a little breakfast in Mexico. This is my breakfast today. I'm having a beer. It's the Breakfast of Champions. Cheers. So we got a great episode coming up. The other night, back in Canada, I had chicken wings for dinner. And I take those leftover chicken wings, and for Appies with Chappy by the lake, I'm going to make chicken wing dumplings. So roll the intros for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Here we go.
Come on now, Mookie. Ain't nothing but a hound dog. This is Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're gonna have appetizers and a cool, refreshing drink. Come on now, Mookie. Don't be cruel. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Just flew in from Mexico.
And boy, are my arms tired. So for appetizer today, I have some fried buffalo chicken dumplings. And we're going to have a drink to go with our appetizer. Today we're going to do a Cortez. So according to my trusty bartender's guide, it says pour all ingredients into a snifter over ice. So I think that's a snifter. If anybody in the industry knows if this is a snifter, leave a comment in the comment section so I don't look like a jackass. And very simple drink. Again, this is a Cortez. So it's 1 ounce of light rum. I got some Bacardi. And 1 ounce of Kaluha. And then it says a dash of lemon juice. I freshly squeezed some lemon juice. That's a little more than a dash. But that is a Cortez to go with my fried buffalo chicken dumplings. And that concludes our episode today. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.